WhatsApp Business API status connected. The WhatsApp Business API is successfully connected with your Facebook Business Manager and it is operational, enabling seamless communication and message delivery through the platform. Quality rating indicates the health of your WhatsApp Business API messaging based on user feedback and engagement. High messages are well received, no issues with delivery or user experience. Medium, some users may be blocking or reporting messages, monitor closely. Low, poor message quality, high risk of restrictions or disconnection, immediate action required. WABA phone number. The registered phone number linked to your WhatsApp business account, WABA, used for sending and receiving messages via the WhatsApp Business API. This number is visible to your end customers and represents your business identity on WhatsApp. WhatsApp display name. The name shown to users when they receive messages from your WhatsApp business account. This name is visible to all end customers. Remaining credit. The balance available in your wallet. This credit is used for sending messages via the WhatsApp Business API and the amount gets deducted based on usage. WABA daily limit. The maximum number of new, business-initiated conversations your WhatsApp Business API number can start within a rolling 24-hour period. WABA daily remaining limit. Remaining number of new, business-initiated conversations your WhatsApp Business API number can start within a rolling 24-hour period. It's deducted based on usage. Number of new, business-initiated messages you have sent on a particular time period.